Moses is here. Spirit of the just man made perfect. This is Zion, here in Zion. Spirit of the just man. Elijah is here.